How to fix the Discord stuck on starting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with your Discord application, here are some ways to fix it. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, you can close your Discord completely and relaunch Discord to check if it starts properly. Close all the background applications and relaunch it. In Windows, you can use Task Manager to end all the Discord processes. Once that is done, check your internet connection and make sure it is a stable one. For this, you can restart your router if it's necessary. Moving on, make sure to clear the Discord cache as corrupted cache files could cause the startup issue. For this, in Android devices, long press the application and go to App Info. After that, head over to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Likewise, for Windows, you can go to the app data and from there select on Discord and delete it. An outdated Discord version could also cause issues, so let the latest app be installed in the existing version. Now that this is done, make sure to reinstall the Discord application if it's still creating an issue. But if the issue might be with the Discord servers, you will have to wait until the ongoing outage is fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.